Hey, Anti-Caro International Nigeria Limited.
Oko.
Hey! Ichie Oko.
Ichi can say.
Hey, anyway, let us forget that one. See, oh, Caro, I saw you in my dream last night. Two of us we are marching to the altar. You were putting on a expensive wedding gown. Me, Ichioku, I was putting on a expensive wedding coat with my title cap. Now, in our invitation and our banner, they wrote it, Caro wets Ichioku.
Oko. See, let me warn you. Let me warn you for the very last time.
Hey, you are warning me?
For the very last time. Oko, any day you see me, don't you dare call me Caro. Do you hear me? Don't you dare call me Caro. See, I am a graduate, and you must give me that respect. You must add my degree certificate to my names. Yes! You see people that has PhD, you call them doctor. And me that suffered 4 years in the university, you see me, call me Caro. See, this is my name. Let me tell you, let me just make it clear for you now. My name is Anti-Caro, aka Stainless, BSCED, University of Benin, second class. Just be giving me that. That's my name. You don't just come and see me and call me Caro.
Calm down. So once I call you all these things now, you will agree.
Yes, now.
Let me offer ya. Come on to call you that. Anti-Caro, aka Stainless, BSCED, University of Benin.
See,
Over.
Uncle, see. Don't worry.
What?
Don't even call me auntie. Don't add auntie to it. Call me Caro. Instead of this one, please call me Caro.
Now you are talking now.
Don't abuse that title.
So what I'm telling you now is this. Let us make that dream a reality.
Kita racha puganya. Asmo kita racha puganya. Okay.
Hey, after all this